The Alabama Department of Labor announces a new round of convictions for unemployment fraud, including 4 people here in the East Alabama community. Barry Oden of Jacksonville was sentenced to 1 year in jail, which was suspended pending restitution after pleading guilty to receiving more than $1,600 in benefits to which he was not entitled. Tiffany Ingram of Pell City pleaded guilty to illegally receiving more than $2,100 in benefits. She was sentenced to 1 year in jail, which was also suspended, and ordered to pay restitution and court costs. Timashika Chapman of Talladega was given 1 year of supervised probation and ordered to pay restitution after her guilty plea to receiving more than $4,500 in benefits. And Lloyd Sanders of Munford was sentenced to 1 year in the Talladega County Jail, of which he will serve 3 months and then have 18 months of supervised probation. Sanders pled guilty to receiving more than $12,500 in illegal benefits. Department of Labor Director Tom Surtees says that his office is working very closely with local county DAs to make sure that those who are deliberately defrauding the system do not go unpunished. He also reminds businesses that their timely reporting of new hires is the best tool his office has for combating unemployment fraud.